Hello everybody, hope you're all doing well. Here I am sporting my Labrador pajamas and a Darth Vader shirt today. I love Star Wars and just Star Wars day. So I got a couple of improvements here. I made the table, but this floor is not level. And so I am going to put on these self-leveling feet that I picked up off of Amazon here from Desunia. They're heavy duty levels with lock nuts. They come in 4 pieces. And we're going to put those together here today. Now, I could put it on one side and just be done with it, but I want to make sure I have them all together in case I lose them down the road and wonder where they are. I have enough problems with that with baby gates. You know, those little, they're almost the same shape. You know, these little things on baby gates. You lose one of them around the house, and now you only have 3. The gate's not as stable. So I'm going to put them all on, even though it's just this side over here. And it's really just this area down here that's the culprit. So we're just going to take care of that here today. Very simple workbench. Again, as I said, I'm only expecting to be in here just a couple of months here until Minnesota weather gets up to the 50s or 60s, and then I'm back out into the summer workshop, where I plan to build even a bigger workshop this coming spring. So we're going to go ahead here and just move this workbench as much as we can, if we can. Get it outside. Nice little handles here that I made. We're just going to go ahead and put these on. So unbox them here. And what we're going to do here is we're going to put these on just like this. They have an edge to them, little edge piece there. Okay, and so you want to make sure you don't do it this way, because that's not my bottom. Okay, so the bottom is right here, or is it right here? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put it right here, the side there. You can see that good. Okay, we're just going to put these in. I think it'll work great. So it comes with this fastener kit and a hex key. The hex key is for the bolt for the self-leveling feature. So you don't have to go like this all the time. You can actually put this little guy in there and it'll move it for you. Okay. So really slick there. Okay. Never lose your hex keys. You need them all the time. You'd be surprised how often they get lost. Always be careful with them. Comes with some of these fasteners here. They're Phillips head. And we'll just go to town on this. Now usually I don't like to use kit fasteners, so we'll see how this goes. I like to use those GRK fasteners, like I've shown you before. Got a whole thing full of GRK fasteners now. I've got 1 1/4, but I love their cabinet screws. So, but you know what? This isn't about GRK today. So I'm going to go ahead and get my drill. Throw a little battery on there. And we'll be in business here in just a second. Now, I'm going to first see if we need a pre-drill on this thing, okay? So, if we have to pre-drill, then we'll know, and you'll know as well. And before we do that, I'm going to grab a Sharpie. And I'm just going to mark all of the little holes that I want here, just in case we have to pre-drill after I start the first one. Okay. Alright, got our pre-drill on there. That's our backup plan. Okay, I'm starting at a really low setting here just to get us started. just in case. Okay, it's in there, but it's kind of tough. It's kind of fighting me. So that tells me we should pre-drill and not force it. So sometimes when you force things, you actually destroy the head on the fastener. So we're going to go ahead and do a little pre-drill. It doesn't need much of a pre-drill, just enough to get it in there. And we'll switch that off here. I do have extra drills, but just keep going here. Don't drill more than you have to. Give it some meat to play with once it gets in there. See, a lot of people just drill right through their wood, and then it's kind of useless to them. So that's never happened before. Decided to get my other drill here just to make this go a little faster. I already put a couple of them on here. Now I'm doing the bottoms. I just pre-drilled. Pre-drilling is the way to go with this stuff. And we're going to go ahead and put the next one on. Alright, last one here. So we've got 3 of them on there. It's very slick, very easy to do. I would definitely recommend this product to everybody. You don't want to be uneven. I mean, that's the cardinal sin, is to have a workbench that's not even, because that messes everything up. Alright, let's see what we got here. Funny story. Without even trying, I got it level. I didn't even have to mess around here much. I mean, it's gone. Just like that, it's gone. Let me get the level going here just to double check. I also love these Empire levels, or any kind of level that's made out of metal. Level there, level there. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's just a quick video on the Desunia self-leveling feet for this workbench. You can find it at the link below and purchase it on Amazon. It got here within just a couple days. It's perfect. So thanks for watching.